Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our lesson number 1, that is numbers. And in that we are going to see 4-digit numbers. How many? 4-digit numbers. In 3rd standard you have done 3-digit numbers, right? 3-digit numbers. 3-digit number means, for example, 302, 105. See, here they have given 999. So we have 3 numbers in it, 1, 2, 3. So it is called as 3-digit numbers. Now in this we are going to see 4-digit numbers. Reading and writing of 3-digit numbers. First they have given us the revision of 3-digit numbers. First we will do that, then afterwards we will look for 4-digit numbers. Now number 1 to 999. Reading and writing of 3-digit numbers. The number system we used is based on the groups of ones, tens and hundreds. In 3rd standard we have done ones, tens and hundreds. You know, in hundreds place, for example, see, in hundreds place we write 1. In tens place we write 0. In ones place we write 0. This is 100, tens and ones. Once again I will do it for you. Hundreds, tens and ones. Whenever we write any 3-digit number, how do we write? Now for example, 349. So 9 will come in ones place, 4 will come in tens place, and 3 will come in hundreds place. Understood? So in this way we write 3-digit number. Now see, they have given us the same, that the number system we use is based on groups of ones, tens and hundreds. Let us revise the relationship between ones, tens and hundreds. This you have seen in the last year, means 3rd standard. Again we will do the revision of that. Now see, 10 ones is equals to 110. Now how many tens are there? How many blocks are there? We will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are 10 blocks. So it makes 110. Means 10 blocks का 110 means 1 bunch होता है. 10 blocks का 1 bunch होता है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? 110. Understood? Now same here. How many bunches there? We will count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. यहाँ पे कितने bunches है? 10. अभी यहाँ पे कितने blocks है? एक bunch में 10 blocks है. तो 10 blocks in one bunch. And how many bunches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10 and this 10. It makes 100. How much it makes? 100. If we go to count this, it will total make 100. So 10 tens makes 100. Here 10 ones make 110. Then 10 tens makes 100. Study this example. Minty and Tini bought 324 beads to make friendship necklaces. The beads were packed in big and small containers and some were loose. How many beads they bought? They bought 324. Okay. Now already they have given us how much. In one container there are 100 beads. And how many containers are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. In one container there are 100 beads. And how many containers are there? 3 containers. Okay. So how much it will become? 300 beads. Right? So these are all 1, 2, 3. So 300. And how much are remaining in 2 containers? 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10. Already we have 300. Now 10 plus 10, it becomes 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 2. So this 300 plus 20. See, 300 plus 20. Next, how many are remaining outside? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will count as 4. So total 0 plus 0 plus 4. How much it becomes? 4. Now 0 plus 2, 2 and 3. Is there any number? No. So bring it down 3. So the answer is 324, right? See. Answer is 324. In this way you can count it. We can show this number 324 in different ways. This is one way. Use the blocks to show ones, tens and hundreds. So these are the blocks they have made to show how to write 324. So in this one block there are 100 boxes, for example. So 100 plus 100 plus 100. How much are there? 1, 2, 3. So it will become 300. Plus in 110 there are 10 blocks. So it becomes 10. And this is also, in this also there are 10 blocks. So it is also 10. So this is 300 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So it total becomes 324. Write the place values of the digits 300s, 2 tens and 4 ones. Write the number using the place value chart. So they have given us a chart which we have made before. See, in hundreds place there 3 will come. Hundreds, tens, ones. In hundreds place which number will come? 3. In tens place which number will come? 2. And in ones place 4. So total number is 324. Same way they have done it. Write the expanded form. Now how we will write expanded form? See, I have done already here. If there are 3 containers, in 3 containers how many beads are there? 300. So how we will write this 3? 3 is coming in hundreds place. So we can write is 300. Okay. See, 3 is coming in hundreds place. So we will write it as 300. 2 is coming in tens place. So how we will write as 2 into 10. It will come 20. And 4 is coming in ones place. So we will write 4 over here. So this is the expanded form of 324. Write the standard form. Standard form means this is the standard form. This is the expanded form. And 324 is the standard form. Okay. Write in words. Now how we will write in words? 3 is coming in hundreds place. So we will write it as 3. First we will write the spelling of 3. THREE 3. It is coming in hundreds place. So write 300. HUNDRED 100. And 24. So what is the spelling of 24? TWENTYFOUR 4. So this is the spelling of 324. This is the expanded form. This is the standard form, and this is in words. Okay. Now write these numbers in their standard form. We have to write these numbers in standard form. Standard form, see here it is given standard form already. So 400 plus 10 plus 3, how it will come? Now 400 is coming in hundreds place. So write 4. 10 is coming in tens place. So write 1. And 3 is coming in ones place. So 413. Next 870 plus 7. 877. 606. Now they have given us in words. This is given in words. Now 606. How we will write? Now for this, see. Hundred, tens, ones. What they have given us? 606. So in hundreds place 6 will come. In tens place 0 will come. And in ones place 6 will come. Okay. So it will write as 606. 979. 900 and the number given is 79. 704 ones. How we will write this? Now we will see how to write 700s and 4 ones. Again make hundreds, tens, ones. Write 700. In tens place 0 and in ones place they have given the number as 4. So the answer will come 704. Now 900 plus 9. So in in hundreds place there will be 9, 0 and 9. If you want you can make it like this and practice. So the answer will be 909. Okay, practice at home and you also copy down the answers and send me the photo. Thank you.